Hey, Stephen here from WIT with today's Momentum Monday. I hope your week is starting off really well so far. We're starting to do these because building momentum from the very beginning of the week is really, really important. So you may have heard the analogy before about a freight train, right? It takes a ton of energy to get a freight train moving, and you can actually stop it before it gets moving with a very, very small, like a stop, like a big board or a little bitty metal block on the track to keep it from getting going. But once you get a freight train moving, 40, 50 miles an hour, that thing can smash through a brick wall and keep going like it was absolutely nothing. So momentum is extremely important. And so how do we bring that into our daily business life? It's doing those little bitty things that we know will move us towards our result. And it's doing them consistently over time, whether that's every day, every week, every month, every quarter, whatever that is, but it's doing it consistently. So this could be things like listening to phone calls in your business every single day, spot checking those every day consistently so that now you can do better training for your CSR team and those people that are on the front lines. When it comes to your fitness, it could be just getting up and moving once an hour. It could be going for 1 or 2 walks per day. It could be eating, one less Chick-fil-A sandwich or McDonald's sandwich per week. But it's these little things that add up over time. And so often we get caught up thinking or looking for the quick fix, the silver bullet, once we've gotten into a position that we don't really like. But it just doesn't work that way. There are no really quick fixes. There are no silver bullets. So building momentum is extremely important. So take a couple minutes and identify what are a couple of those things that you can do within your business, within your life, within your relationship even, to move the ball forward each day and start to build momentum. Because once you get going, once you become that freight train, you can run into a brick wall. You can run into something even like COVID. And for the most part, you'll be able to keep going because you've put those things into place and you've started to build that momentum. So take this into your week, take today, Monday, and build momentum heading into the week. I hope you have an absolutely amazing week. Talk to you soon.